Hello everyone, my name is Ankush and I'll just make you learn all of you to how to install npm in particular file. So npm is what we can say that npm is just a package manager for the JavaScript programming language maintained by npm. npm is just like what software development company. npm is just a software package. Just npm what stand for node package manager, which is created as a package manager for node. Okay, so here we'll go. So I'll just go in a file and just install the npm package installer. So here first we'll find there where we are. So I'll just type who am I? And I'm on desktop. Okay, so I'll move it down to the file where I have saved one. Okay, so I'll move it on that file where I have to install an npm. So I'll move it on one file I have created I think yesterday. So I'll make you understand by a demo. Let's go. I'll go on download. Download. Um. Okay, I think it's not responding. Wait a minute. Okay. We have on downloads page. Just go on a file. CD Python 1. Make a folder. Okay. Then just have to install npm. npm. Okay. npm install npm. It's installing. Okay, npm fund. Okay, so our npm have successfully installed in this python 1 file, and here's some fund of npm. So you can see at the github.com sponsors, and I have open collective github. There's okay. You can know that npm is just what a package installer, and any file it's come with Node.js and JavaScript coding language. It can be installed on a Linux system also, and then used on the command line to download and install JavaScript packages instead. And you can the npm is the world's largest software registry. And also npm is a free to use. So I'll just find npm testing. So just to test npm test, I'll take npm test. It's just and first time it will be failed. After the all the tests will be failed, it's shown a test, so it's one failed and 16 failed, 16 out of 16 failed, snapshot 0 total, and time required by it 1.2 to 5 seconds. Okay, bye.